All right, in this training, I want to show you how King's Contact Pro can be used in your CRM and in the tools simultaneously. So at the top, we have a tab open. This will be your account. And we have the King's Pro Toolbox, the custom tools down here that we've created. And you'll want to use the voice to text often. Sometimes you'll be writing an email, and here is just some placeholder sample data in this contact. So Alex, he's at, I believe he's at the bank. Let's say we want to check on the loan. We'll say, Alex just wanted to write and check on the loan. Okay, so it takes a little while to write when you're typing, and now the voice to text is going to allow you to write an email much more quickly. Or if you're using something like ChatGPT, or you're in a Google Doc or a Word doc that you want to write and use the voice to text software, you can simply by doing this. So let's say this is what I came against today. I clicked on this email. I was writing this email to someone else, and I wanted to use the voice to text. So I clicked here, voice to text, and it took me directly to the voice transcriber, and it took me away from my email that I was writing. Well, in order to avoid that, we'll go back to contacts. We'll go back to the Alex contact, and his email is still saved in the system in the CRM. However, you want to use the tools separately. So let's add the tool, and all we have to do is go to the top right and hit duplicate. That will load another page that you will have for your tools when you want to work in the tool. So now I can take this voice to text here. I've got my tab that is open and I'm writing the email in. And then I can start recording and use the voice transcriber. It's been 2 months since we've submitted the application and wanted to find out where you are in the process. You can hit copy, go back to your email or whatever document you're working, Control V, or simply paste. You can go to paste and paste it, but Control V will get it in, or Command V. And this will get you all your content written out quite quickly. You can update your punctuation, etc. So wanted to share this training real quick on how to use the voice to text, how to create one tab for your CRM work, your tasks, and then one tab for the tools. So hopefully that helps, and we'll see you in the next video.